your school activities on karaoke. Buhayin
Attention! This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Do not turn off your television. Reports coming from our agency that a humanoid entity that resembles a member from Andres Bonifacio's Katipunan has been seen attacking the streets of Batangas, Philippines. Description: is a humanoid creature measuring 5 feet in height. The entity is dressed in a uniform similar to a member of Katipunan, a Philippine revolutionary society formed in 1892. The report shows that it can reach 50 kilometers per hour. It is important to lock all the doors and windows to ensure safety.
Nandito ako ngayon sa kwarto namin. Sino yan? Hello? Wala na yata. Nakaalis na yata siya.